like to show you how to replace Note 4 motherboard. The most common issue is when we replaced motherboard and S Pen cannot work. So, and I show you a way to really can fix this problem. Just put the paper underneath, did it up.
Sorry, I don't know what is that.
Okay. Here's the motherboard. Okay, you can hear the click sound, and then just test.
Go to the wall. Go to the wall. The walls. Over there. Over there. Easy. You can make gold armor.